Three containers whose volumes are in the ratio 2:3:4 are full of mixtures of spirit and water. In the first container, the ratio of spirit and water is 4:1. In the second container, the ratio is 11:4. And in the third container, the ratio is 7:3. All the three mixtures are mixed in a big container. The ratio of spirit and water in the resultant mixture is. So first of all, we are given that there are three containers. So let's say those three containers are A, B and C. Their volumes are given to us. They are in the ratio 2:3:4. So the volumes are in the ratio 2:3:4. So let's say the volume of A is 2x, volume of B is 3x, and of C is 4x, right? In the first container, the ratio of spirit and water is 4:1. So in this 2x, the ratio of spirit to water is given to us as 4:1, alright? In second container, the ratio is 11:4. So in this 3x, the ratio of spirit is to water is 11:4. And in the third, the ratio is 7:3. So in this 4x, the ratio of spirit is to water is 7:3, right? All the three mixtures are mixed in a big container. So all the three are now mixed in a new bigger container. So in here, this is the new container. In here, let's first find out how much spirit is there and how much water is there. All right. So here in A, 4 parts is spirit out of the total 5 parts. So 4 parts is spirit out of total 5 parts of this 2x. So we multiply 2x plus in B, 11 parts is spirit out of total 15 parts. 11 parts is spirit out of total 15 parts of this 3x plus 7 parts is spirit out of total 10 parts. 7 parts is spirit out of total 10 parts of this 4x. So this is the value of spirit in this new container. Now let's talk about water. In A, water is 1 part out of total 5 parts. So water is 1 part out of total 5 parts of 2x plus in B, water is 4 part out of total 15 parts. Water is 4 parts out of total 15 parts of this 3x plus in C, water is 3 part out of total 10 parts. So water is 3 part out of total 10 parts of this 4x, right? Now here, first of all, what we'll do, take the x and x common and it will get cancelled on both the sides, right? It will get cancelled on both the sides. So now we are left with these values. So it can be further simplified with 3. 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. Similarly with water as well. 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. So here, first of all, let's take the LCM 5. Here in the numerator, we have 4 2s are 8 plus 11 1s are 11 plus 7 2s are 14 is 2. Again, LCM 5, we get 1 2s are 2 plus 4 plus 6, right? 5 5 gets cancelled. So we are left with 4 5, okay, 33 is 2 and this will give me 12. I can further simplify it with 3. So 3 1s are 3 1s are and 3 4s are 12. So the final ratio that we get is 11:4. So the question is asking us the ratio of spirit and water in the resultant mixture is. So in this new mixture, in this resultant mixture, the ratio of spirit is to water is 11:4. So that means this is our required answer. Here option C is the correct one.